Hello everyone, this is Mr. Om Prakash, pursuing PhD from JNU under supervision of Rajiv Kumar. I'd like to give a special thanks to all committee members for providing me such a nice platform where I can present my research work, as my title is of fake news detection in a social network using attention mechanism. These are some outline as I will describe in a brief what introduction related work done by me, dataset and pre-processing, result and analysis, and then finally I will discuss what the conclusion and future work. As you know that online social network play a significant role in our society by connecting people where people can share anything at any time. But the credibility and reliability of this platform are still questionable due to unverified content. According to a Stanford University, the news article that is intentionally created or that can mislead the people are called fake news. Mainly, cyber criminals use these platforms for criminal activities. As far as regarding in India, 100,000 fake news are uploaded at every second. Using that, they can mislead, confuse, and change the public perception and opinion. It is very critical and hard to detect because in a multimedia is textual and visual part are combined to build emotional content by which they can manipulate the public. So to deal with this, we have proposed a multimodal fake news detection algorithm using LSTM and CNN using attention mechanism. Many researchers has contributed some milestone in this area that helped me to carry out this research. As Smith and Bharat has all used TF-ID and different classification technique. Similarly, Mill et al. Have used 7 classification algorithm and used max voting technique. Similarly, Fatima et al. Have used proposed data set and used SVM classifier. Similarly, Jean et al. Have used a statistical and visual characteristic on Vivo dataset. In a same way, most of the researchers they have used supervised classification technique, as Kali Sahu et al. Have used hot vector encoding technique and used fake news dataset. Similarly, Umer et al. Have used CNN and LSTM and used PCA to reduce the future vector. And so on, many people have done many contribution in this area. So now I will come to my work done. As you are looking in this figure 1, we have used LSTM for textual and visual feature extraction, and a separate CNN model have been used for visual feature extraction. The objective of this model is to distinguish between fake or non-fake news. As you can see in a previous model, there are 3 sub-modules: the textual feature, visual feature, extractor and classifier. We have extract textual feature and visual feature and then combined it to make multimodal feature, and then we finally pass it to the classifier where it can detect easily news is a fake or not. Here instance of a dataset to it can be represented using I, where T stand for tweets, S stand for social context, and V stand for visual feature. In textual feature, we extract social context and a textual context, and I use LSTM to combine resolve, and then further we use predefine CNN model as GoogleNet, MobileNet, and DevNet, and a different version of ResNet. we combined these all textual and visual feature using two fully connected layers. The first layer is used ReLU activation function, and we used softmax activation function in a second layer. As we have used attention mechanism, the goal of attention mechanism is determined semantic connection, as it is a similar as human, as we focus on high resolution portion of any picture. In a classified section, we provide multimodal feature, and it classify using softmax activation function. We performed many pre-processing on the Vivo dataset, where we filter out all the GIF and other different form of images, and we used only JPG images. We convert it into RGB format, and in textual portion we perform regex operation for regex operation and tokenization and Jiva library, and then we used then we remove a stop word. Then we finally store these information in a pickle file format. We split our data set into 7:1:2 ratio for training, validation and testing purpose. Here we fix k is equal to 32 dimension for textual as well as feature. The dropout probability we used is a 0.5% and a learning rate is a 0.001%. We use Adam optimizer and use cross entropy for loss function. We also used 32 batch size due to limitation of our local system, and we run this model up to 100 epochs. As you can see, the result of my proposed model is a better than previous base model. As you can see, the attention RNN is used in base model, where the accuracy is just only 0.78%. We used at first we used DenseNet in the place of VGC with our different parameter tuning, where we did not get more accuracy, but when we use MobileNet, we got 1% more accuracy, and we also got recall better than among other classifier, other pre-trained CNN model. We used GoogleNet, where the accuracy is 80%, and then we change ResNet 50, and then finally we used ResNet 101, where we got accuracy 83% and the F1 score 83%, and recall is also 84% for non-fake null humor or non-fake tweet. We also then finally perform build confusion matrix of ResNet 101, because it gives a higher accuracy. We set 1 for fake news and a set 0 for non-fake news. From the confusion matrix, you can see the true positive is 610, and true negative is 570, and false positive and false negative are very low. Similarly, when we execute it for 100 epoch, at initial the RS accuracy it was increasing, and RS it was increasing up to 20 epoch. After it, it was constant, and then similarly for training and validation loss, at initial epoch it was decreasing, but after it, it was a constant. As you can see, the conclusion of my work is like we got 83% accuracy. That is a 5% more than the base model. Further, I would like to explore user-independent feature, and would like to identify the pattern of social media post. We can also collect larger data set. Just I am working for it, and we can use a stacking technique to improve the accuracy. Thank you. That's all. These are my references.